doesn't move at all. Look, a baby mouse. It's super tiny, a baby mouse. Who's careful? Don't touch. What are you doing a food?
Don't touch it, eh?
He's so cute. But his tail is long.
Yeah, his tail is longer than himself.
So where's his mama?
Oh, where's your mama? Huh?
Yeah, where's Mama?
He's like, whoa, poor
Like, you guys leave me alone. I'm just trying to get home to my mom.
Like,
Where's his mom?
I don't know. He lives somewhere over there.
How do you know?
Wow. The first time we saw him was here, coming this way, I think, or this way.
Looking for your mama.
Okay, no, I have an idea. Let's leave him alone, okay?
Is it right?